Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add an audio in Google Slides. So let's go to the browser, go to Google Slides, then log into your Google Slide account or just click on this, go to Slides. After that choose blank. Then if you want to add an audio in Google Slide, you have to go Google Drive first. Go Google Drive and go to Drive. Then you have to upload a music or any audio you want to add in Google Slide. So let's add one. File upload, choose from computer. I'm choosing like this one. It's uploading here, you can see it's already uploaded. Now go to Google Slide, and if you want to add here that audio, you have to go file, insert this one, go audio, and you will find recent, this one. Okay, I have downloaded this one or this one, yeah, the well 10. Click on insert, and it will be inserted here. Okay, now if you want to listen this, click on this button. Okay guys, so this is how you can add an audio in Google Slides. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.